I just closed another deal with my US client yesterday.
Congratulations. Let's celebrate tonight.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
So what about your client? Is he enjoying his time in Dubai?
That's the best part. He's never been in Dubai.
Yeah.
Seriously?
He invested, signed everything remotely, and once the property is ready, he will rent it out. All from the US.
So yes, you can buy an off-plan property directly from developer, rent it out once it's ready, and in many cases, you don't have to be physically in Dubai for the whole process.
You know, a lot of overseas clients think that they need to come to Dubai, sign every document, and manage everything by themselves. But everything can be done remotely.
Now, how does the process work?
We will help you to choose the right area, developer, primary project based on your budget, payment plan, handover date, and expected return.
So once you choose the unit, you submit the required documents and make the booking through the official developer process. For off-plan projects in Dubai, payments are linked to escrow account, which adds protection for the buyer.
Yes, and after that, the developer will issue a sales purchase agreement for signing, and it will be registered through Dubai Land Department process for registration of off-plan units.
Then you continue your payment till the property is completed. Once the project is ready and the handover takes place, you receive a title deed, which is a full proof of your ownership.
And after that, what will happen if you want to rent your property while living abroad? That can also be handled. From advertising your property to finding the right tenant, we will manage everything for you. All you need is a right project, right capital, and an experienced property consultant who can guide you properly.
So reach out to Richmond Properties today to help you invest in Dubai with confidence.